Okay guys, how is everyone doing? Welcome to another video hiking over these Pendle hills. It's been beautiful all day, you can probably see behind me. There is some storms forecast. I've got something to cook up in the woods, so hopefully I can get that done. I'm in the micro camper, so if the storms come on, I can get in there and make a coffee. We'll see. Let's get going. Okay guys, if you're new to the channel, I'm Mick. I like to get outdoors, get out hiking, do some outdoor cooking. I've bought a van, making that into a camper van. I've got a 4x4, making that into a micro camper. So, core camping type videos, some wild camping. Please subscribe to the channel if you like that sort of thing. Leave me a comment, I'll always reply. So if you remember, I showed you a few videos ago, this particular little stream was absolutely full of frog spawn. But it's all gone, been washed away, a few little tadpoles, because we've had such heavy rain. And the water runs in, pulls here and runs out, but if it comes in too heavy, it'll wash everything away. So you might be able to make out some tadpoles over there. Quite a few over here, these black lumps. So we've had some surviving. You can see just under the tree newborn lambs, first of the season. And they are very young, them days old. Now that's not looking promising over there. We'll see. You know, that weather might miss. Seems to be just passing over more towards the west, hopefully. So if I do get caught out in these storms what are coming, not supposed to be too bad I don't think, but the wind's coming here from the west. That's a really good natural shelter, overhanging rocks there. I think I definitely get a bit of shelter in there, so I might be using that after until this passes. I think that's going to miss really. I'm just going to go off the track here, get a bit of shelter just in case, because I want to cook up something I've got in my bag. Very simple, but very tasty. Get against this wall, bit of shelter, and I'll have me little snack. So you've got to be so careful in these places. These old stone walls come down. I'm sure this wasn't down the last time. Hang on a minute, what's happened here? Yeah, this tree limb. 2 tree limbs have fallen and gone crashing down there. So it's windy, you've got to be careful. This spot will do, because I don't know if any of these are going to come down and they won't be heavy. Well, that would be dangerous if you sat over there and that come crashing on you. You've got to be vigilant when you're out. Bit of shelter anyway. So guys, bacon grill, this is called. It's like luncheon meat, spam. Cook it up, put it on a tea cake. If I can cut it whilst holding this GoPro. Simple, but definitely filling. And this rain, it's not here yet, but I think it's going to move in. Decided to move from that spot because the wind were really swirling around, and I don't think that was much shelter. I don't think I'm going to stay dry. Definitely not going to stay dry no matter what I do. We're really moving in now, and it is cold. I think this is winter. Could be a bit of sleet or hail in this. Get me shelter, I want to cook my snack up. That bit of shelter I showed you earlier, that's the one we're using, because hopefully the wind, everything's coming from that way, and we have got a bit of a roof on here, so maybe I can keep dry. So guys, you can see it's going really wild, but we're staying dry. Don't like that tree because one crashed down there, but that one crashing my direction, but staying dry, and I think it's going to pass quite quick. Some brighter skies coming over. So we are sheltered under some rocks in the middle of Pendle Hill in this wild weather, but hopefully it's going to pass. Well, half an hour it seems to be passing. You can see a bit of brighter sky coming over, so there we go. We'll get going. Thank you very much, Natural Shelter. Brilliant, no work involved. So let's pass back to where we were to get this cooked up. Yeah, seems a lot brighter. Right, we're cooking. I'm going to cook it slowly because I forgot to bring some butter or oil and I don't want it burning. Got some bread in my bag, a couple of nice sandwiches. Just the ticket when you're out hiking. So I think that's about done. I don't want to burn it, get it on this bread. Smells brilliant, so simple. Nothing has to be complicated. This is what getting out is about, not overcomplicating anything. You gotta love it out in nature. So there we go, my squashed Warburton Baps. But who cares? Everything seems to taste better outdoors, so that'll do the job. So there we go guys, just a little out and a little hike. Bit of weather moved in, but that shelter did wonders, that kept me dry. It's a good idea to keep your eye out when you're hiking for things like that, and then the weather does come on, you know where to go. So, short video, please do like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment. I'll always reply. Get yourself out, it makes you feel great guys. You lot take care, speak soon.